Hello everyone, welcome back to our Nano Savaari vlog. What happens when cousins, friends, riverside vibes and Kokani style cooking come together? You get one unforgettable day full of fun, foods and adventure. In this vlog we planned a perfect riverside day out, away from the busy life and closer to the nature. From the laughter and the fun moments to unique survival style cooking, this trip has everything. Watch us trying an amazing fish trapping techniques. We use a simple cut bottle method and added food inside to trap the fish. Easy, smart and super interesting. Konkani style outdoor cooking. We prepare delicious biryani with a crispy fried chicken. Cook in a unique way using the rooftop panel as our cooking setup. This is true Konkani style outdoor food experience you don't want to miss. Riverside fun, cousins and friend enjoyment, outdoor cooking, fish trapping techniques, full on village vibes experience. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the full journey with us till the end. If you enjoyed this video, like the video, comment your favorite moment, share with your friends, subscribe to our channel for more Nanoki Savaari adventure. Your support means everything to us. Let's start the Nanoki Savaari.
Oh yeah! Of this coastal escape.